Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am Dr. Goat. Today I want to make a real quick video on changing out the shifter knob on my 2014 Chevy Cruze Eco. Okay, so as you're looking at this, my shifter knob looks pretty rough. And honestly, I've seen a couple little videos on this, and that's kind of where I went with this. A lot of people were saying you had to pop this off because, okay, some of the Cruzes, some of the years were just a twist off, and some of them were press fitted on, which the 2014, at least my 2014 Eco, is press fitted. From what I have seen, I believe, don't quote me on this, but I believe 2013 and up are press fitted, and the 2012s and older are twisted on, just from what I have seen. That I may not be correct on that, but anyways, people were saying you would pop this off. If you've seen a little screw on there, that means it's press fitted. So anyways, I screwed this up, popping it off. There was a tiny screw right here that was right on top, which honestly, once I actually got this off, this screw does nothing. So there's no real reason to take the screw out or to pop the top off of there. Basically, all you got to do, and I don't know if you're going to be a lot stronger than me and you can just do it by hand. I ended up using these vice grips after, ripping and screwing this all up. And I clamped it, was able to wiggle it quite a bit. I ended up actually fully pulling it off by hand. So, yeah, that is off there. And the shifter knob I have right here is by Billetworkz. And it's a weighted shifter knob. They actually sent a couple stickers. Pretty cool. Probably have to put one on. They give you the option when you're ordering these, if you know whether or not it is press fitted on or screwed on for these Cruzes. I didn't know, so I went with the option of I don't know. I paid another $10 just to get both of these fittings. So this is the one I'm gonna need, and what I am assuming by the looks of it, and I haven't tried doing this part yet, but basically I believe I should be able to slip this over if I use my little Allen wrench here. I believe that I should be able to loosen this up and just slip it right over, and then I'll tighten it down. Okay, so something like that. I honestly don't know. This is, like I said, my first time trying this. So if this screws up the spring at all to where reverse doesn't work, or I have issues getting it in or out of reverse, then I'll know. But I should be able to do that. Looks like that's still gonna work. Basically just slip that on, and what I got from them, pretty basic shifter knob. It's weighted, pretty heavy, just red with reverse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I should be able to drop her on top here, and okay, Looks like I might need to turn this. Like I said, it's the first time doing this, so it's all just guesswork right now. Okay. There we go. That's pretty close. Just like that. New shifter knob. I want to say just like that, but if you guys would have seen my struggle getting the old shifter knob off. But there's that. I also have a new shifter boot that is red that I'm going to have to put on yet. I'll make a little video doing that as well. But there's that. Hopefully this helps you guys out at all if you're curious on how to go about swapping your shifter knob. If this did help you, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions that I might be able to help with. And as always, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.